How to convert normal video to 4K Ultra HD. In this video, I will show you how can you easily convert the quality of a video from normal to 4K Ultra HD. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open the video which you want to convert to 4K Ultra HD in CapCut. And then firstly you need to maintain the quality of video. So for that, go to Adjust menu. And then there you will see the option of video quality. Click on it and click on remove flickers. Now make sure you are a pro user of CapCut, then only you will be able to remove flickers. Once you remove flickers, you need to choose the resolution which you see at the top right corner beside the arrow menu. There you need to choose the option of 2K/4K and then done. You can easily export the video now. So that's all. That is how easily you can convert any normal video into the 4K Ultra HD quality. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.